the drizzle of the rain, like a memory falls, soft and warm, continuing, tapping on my roof and walls. From the shelter of my mind to the window of my eyes, I gaze beyond the rain-drenched streets to England where my heart lies. My mind's distracted and diffused, my thoughts are many miles away. They lie with you when you're asleep, kiss you when you start the day. So a song I'm writing is left undone. I don't know why I spend my time writing songs I don't believe, with words that tear and strain to rhyme. So you see I'm left to doubt all that I once held as true. I stand alone without beliefs. The only truth I know is you. And as I watch the drops of rain weave their weird paths and die, I know that I am like the rain. Then before the grace of you go I.